Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for watching for this video. I'm Nanang, and in this tutorial session, I would like to show you how to install the Internet Information Server, web server, and FTP server in Windows Server 2022. But before we continue our session, please hit the subscribe button down below the video for this channel. We are using the Server Manager dashboard to install the Internet Information Server. Just click the Add Role and Features here, and wizard before you begin, just click Next on the screen. For the installation type, just leave the role based or feature based and click Next. And make sure your server name and IP address display properly in the select destination server, and click Next. For the server load, just click the web server or IIS here, and pop up display for the add features that are required for web server. Click the add features button here. Okay, we will continue. Click Next, and for the select features, just click Next. And for the web server role IIS, just click Next. And for the role services, make sure you click the FTP server also. Okay, if you want to complete the checks, select the features for the web server and FTP. Just leave as is, so just click Next here. And for the confirmation installation section, make sure you choose already select and properly, just click install. Okay, we are waiting for the installation until finish. Okay, the installation already finished. Just click close, and we will continue our video in the next session. uh, for those of you who already watched this video, just click like and uh, share this video for your friend, and give comment for this video. Visit my blog already on the description down below. And if you are not subscribed yet to this channel, click subscribe button down below, and click the bell for notification in my new video. Thank you for watching today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.